The year 2025 has arrived, a milestone year where the promises of science fiction have begun to materialize in tangible ways. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's now the very backbone of our global economy, intricately woven into every sector and industry. It shapes our conversations, influencing how we connect and communicate with one another, and it profoundly impacts our daily lives, streamlining tasks, offering personalized experiences, and redefining convenience in ways we never thought possible. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's the new global battleground, a strategic arena where nations vie for dominance. Nations and corporations are investing billions of dollars into AI research and development, recognizing its transformative potential. They understand that AI leadership translates directly into global power, influencing everything from economic prosperity to military might. The race to achieve AI supremacy is public, high stakes, and constantly headline-grabbing, capturing the attention of the world. Enter Elon Musk, a figure as controversial as he is visionary, a man who consistently pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Musk's history with AI is deep, complex, and multifaceted, spanning over a decade of involvement. He was an early investor in DeepMind, recognizing its potential long before it was acquired by Google. He also served as a co-founder of OpenAI, initially conceived as a non-profit AI research company, and now he's back to disrupt the industry once again with xAI, his latest venture. He's not just joining the race, he's entering with a very specific agenda. He's challenging its very direction, questioning the fundamental principles that guide current AI development. Musk believes today's dominant AI models are too cautious, too risk-averse in their approach, too filtered, with excessive layers of safety mechanisms and content restrictions. And he fears that this overregulation will ultimately risk stifling free thought and innovation in the field. His answer, xAI and its flagship product, Grok. Grok isn't just another chatbot vying for market share, it's Musk's rebellion against what he calls the woke mind virus, that he perceives as infecting mainstream AI development. The launch of Grok 2.5 on June 28, 2025 is more than just a routine software update. It represents a significant philosophical shift. It's a declaration of war on the underlying philosophies behind ChatGPT and Gemini, challenging their approach to AI safety and content moderation. The world is watching with bated breath, eager to see how this unfolds. Is this Musk's next triumph, solidifying his legacy as a tech visionary, or a reckless gamble that could backfire spectacularly? The AI Showdown has officially begun, and the stakes have never been higher. To understand Grok, you need to understand xAI. Musk's AI venture. Launched in 2023 with top talent from OpenAI and Google DeepMind, xAI's mission is bold: to understand the true nature of the universe. Grok is their first major product designed to break the mold of sanitized, risk-averse AI assistants. Unlike its competitors, Grok is built to answer tough questions with wit, sarcasm, and real-time data from X. The name Grok signals deep, intuitive understanding, a nod to Heinlein's sci-fi classic. Grok's personality is intentionally irreverent, echoing Musk's own online style. At its core, Grok is about radical transparency and maximum truth-seeking, even if that means discomfort. This philosophy puts Grok on a collision course with the industry's safety-first standards. Grok isn't just a product, it's a worldview challenging the very boundaries of AI moderation. Grok 2.5 is a leap forward, transforming from quirky upstart to serious contender. Its new architecture delivers lightning-fast responses, crucial for real-world use. Grok 2.5 excels at complex reasoning, math, and coding, rivaling the best from OpenAI and Google. Its real-time integration with X gives it instant access to breaking news, trends, and public sentiment. Unlike competitors, Grok thrives on the raw, unfiltered pulse of the internet. A vastly expanded context window lets it handle long conversations, summarize research, and analyze codebases without losing track. This combination, speed, reasoning, real-time data, and memory, makes Grok 2.5 uniquely powerful. It's not just fast, it's smart, current, and context-aware. For users, Grok 2.5 is a tool that feels alive, always in the moment. The AI Showdown just got a lot more interesting. In 2025, the AI race is a three-way battle: Grok 2.5, ChatGPT, and Gemini. On academic benchmarks, all three are neck and neck, but each has its strengths. Grok 2.5 dominates in coding and real-time reasoning. ChatGPT leads in creative writing and nuanced prose. Gemini excels at search and information synthesis, thanks to Google's data infrastructure. The biggest difference? Content moderation. ChatGPT and Gemini have strict safety filters, avoiding sensitive or controversial topics. Grok 2.5, by design, is far less filtered, willing to tackle taboo subjects with humor and candor. Grok's real-time X integration gives it an edge on current events but also exposes it to misinformation. Ultimately, the best AI depends on your needs: creativity, reliability, or unfiltered access. The era of one best model is over. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. The competition is fierce and the stakes couldn't be higher. Elon Musk's vision for Grok is deeply rooted in a fundamental belief about the nature of artificial intelligence itself. It's not just about building another AI, it's about shaping the very principles that guide its development and application. That AI should be a neutral, truth-seeking entity, an unbiased tool for understanding the world. Musk envisions an AI that isn't swayed by prevailing opinions or agendas, but rather strives to present information objectively and accurately. Not a tool of censorship. He believes that imposing restrictions on AI can stifle its ability to explore complex issues and arrive at innovative solutions. He argues that current AI safety trends, while well-intentioned, risk creating persuasive, biased machines that subtly shape public opinion, potentially leading to echo chambers and the reinforcement of existing biases. For many, Grok's uncensored approach is liberating, a breath of fresh air in an increasingly curated digital landscape. A chance to ask tough questions, explore controversial topics, and challenge conventional wisdom without corporate guardrails or pre-programmed limitations. Developers see opportunity, a chance to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Grok enables applications that would be impossible with more restrictive APIs, opening up new avenues for innovation and problem-solving across various industries. But with freedom comes responsibility. The power to create also carries the weight of potential misuse. Developers must now decide where to draw the line, grappling with complex ethical considerations and the potential consequences of their creations. Supporters hail Grok as a bulwark against groupthink, a tool for fostering independent thought and critical analysis, and a champion of open debate, where diverse perspectives can be shared and challenged in a constructive environment. Critics warn that without strong filters, Grok could spread hate speech, misinformation, and propaganda, potentially exacerbating social divisions and undermining trust in institutions. The debate is fierce, reflecting the deep divisions in society about the role of technology and the balance between freedom and responsibility. Is the risk of censorship greater than the risk of unconstrained information, or vice versa? It's a question with no easy answers. Musk's quest forces us to confront the core question of our AI future, a future that will be shaped by the choices we make today. Where should we draw the line between safety and freedom in the age of artificial intelligence? It's a question that demands careful consideration and open dialogue. Grok's launch has been a lightning rod for controversy. Critics say xAI is dismantling hard-won safety protocols, risking a flood of disinformation and harmful content. Supporters see Grok as a free speech champion, rebelling against big tech's perceived censorship. The AI's sarcastic, sometimes abrasive tone divides users. Some love it, others see it as immature and dangerous. Stories of Grok generating biased or offensive answers fuel public unease. Even within tech, many doubt the possibility of a truly unbiased AI. By positioning Grok as the uncensored alternative, xAI has invited intense scrutiny. Every flaw becomes a flashpoint in the debate over AI responsibility. The stakes: nothing less than the future of information and public trust. The launch of Grok 2.5 is not just a milestone, it's a starting gun. It signals a new era in AI development, one characterized by rapid innovation and intense competition. Industry giants like OpenAI and Google will undoubtedly respond, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and accelerating the race to new heights. We're talking about a transformation that will redefine our interaction with technology. Expect rapid innovation, faster models, capable of processing information at speeds previously unimaginable, smarter reasoning, with AI exhibiting more nuanced and complex problem-solving abilities, and deeper integration across platforms, seamlessly weaving AI into the fabric of our digital lives. Grok's biggest advantage lies in its inherent synergy with X, Tesla, and SpaceX. Imagine AI co-pilots not just assisting, but actively learning and adapting in real time within cars and rockets. As Grok becomes increasingly central to the X platform, it gains an unparalleled distribution channel and access to a constant, invaluable stream of real-time data, fueling its learning and refinement. The fundamental clash between Grok's commitment to an uncensored approach and its rivals' prioritization of safety-first models will inevitably force governments and regulatory bodies to take decisive action. We may very well see a splintered AI world emerge, with different countries and regions adopting vastly different rules, regulations, and ethical guidelines. This will lead to a divergence in AI development, reflecting diverse cultural values and philosophical underpinnings. The future of AI won't be defined by a single dominant winner. Instead, we'll witness a rich spectrum of AI models, each tailored to address different needs, preferences, and ethical considerations. Some users will gravitate towards curated, safe AIs, prioritizing security and content filtering, while others will actively embrace Grok's unfiltered dynamism, valuing freedom of expression and access to raw information. The only certainty we can hold on to is that the pace of change will only continue to accelerate, fundamentally reshaping society at every level, from our personal lives to global structures. The AI race is not just beginning, it's about to enter a whole new gear. June 28, 2025. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a force shaping our world. The Grok ChatGPT Gemini rivalry is a battle for the future of information and thought. These models influence our conversations, decisions, and even our sense of truth. The debate over censorship versus freedom is now central to our digital lives. AI's potential is vast, solving problems, democratizing knowledge, but also amplifying risks. The responsibility on creators and society is immense. We are not just building AI, we are building the mirror in which humanity will see itself. The showdown of 2025 is only the beginning of this new era.